Claude Cowork runs on your computer. That's the whole point. It works inside your files, your apps, your business, but here's the catch. You're not always at your computer. You're in a meeting, you're out for coffee, you're away from your desk, and the setup you built is just sitting there waiting for you to get back. This video fixes that. By the end, you'll be able to run your Cowork setup from your phone, send it work, get the results back from anywhere. Plus, 3 features most founders never switch on that make it even more useful. Hi, welcome to the Founder Stack. I'm Naz. On this channel, I cover the systems and workflows that help solopreneurs, founders, and small business owners use AI to run their business. All right, let's get into it. First, the big one, running Cowork from your phone. This is the one that changes how you work. Dispatch lets you talk to your Cowork setup from your phone from anywhere. So here's how it actually works, and it's simpler than it sounds. Your computer stays on. That's the engine. It's where all the work happens. Your files, your connectors, your skills. Your phone becomes the remote. You send an instruction from your pocket, your computer does the job, and the result comes back to you. So here's how you turn it on. You click on Dispatch. It's going to open up to this page. Select the button, Keep Awake, and then select Mobile Notification, then allow all browser actions. Then you can choose to bypass permission or ask for permission. I like to bypass just to show as an example. Or you could open up your phone, and in your phone, select Dispatch and ask it a question. It's going to appear here. So let me ask one. Can you tell me how many scheduled tasks I have? And then I'm going to send it from my phone. You would notice that it appears here of what I said on my phone, and it's going to run, then show you exactly the answer that you are looking for. And that is how Dispatch works. Your business doesn't stop when you step away from your desk. It just moves to your pocket. Now, here's the thing. Whether you're firing off a task from your phone or sitting right at your desk, what Claude sends back doesn't have to be a wall of text. It can build you something you actually use. That's the next one. You've probably seen Claude build artifacts before, those little pages and dashboards it makes in the sidebar. The problem is they're static, a snapshot. The data goes stale, and you have to reprompt every time you want it updated. Live artifacts fix that. And the key word is live. You build the dashboard once. It stays pinned in your sidebar. And every time you open it and hit refresh, it pulls fresh data straight from your connected tools. So let me show you how to build one. Once you come into Live Artifact, New Artifact, you click Create with Claude. So what we want to build is essentially like a command center that houses all of your business. For example, it's going to house your calendar, unread emails, Slack notifications, revenue in the last 24 hours, and so many other things. That's what we are going to be building right now. So now, based off of me creating one, it says, I want to make a live artifact. I'll take a look at your context first, then explain, and then ask what we want to build. Let it finish up, and we tell it what exactly we want it to build, and it will show that example one that once that build is done. You could see based off of my own context, it's asking what I want to create, a channel performance, content, pipeline, audience and email, inbox and partnerships, and we could say something else, and then we could paste what we want, and then click on next. What source should it pull in from? We could say inboxes, for example, Notion, and if you have any. And then next. How will you mostly use it? We could use it as a daily check-in, and then it would go ahead to start building it. This is a sample command center it has built. Obviously, you could make changes to it and make sure everything looks right. So you can see at the base, I have a revenue dashboard here. I can connect to my Stripe. Here you have your revenue goals that you could set up, and then every day you come in, you could refresh it, and it refreshes and gives you a new data. One honest note, live artifacts are on the paid plan. They live on the computer you built them on, and you can't share them yet. But for running your own business day to day, they're one of the most useful things in Cowork. That's the shift. You stop chasing your data across 5 tabs, and the data starts coming to you, live on one page. Now, everything so far, the dashboards, the tasks, the asks, you've been typing out, but you don't have to type at all, and this is the fastest way to get anything into Claude. So here's the thing, you think faster than you type. Every time you sit down to write Claude a detailed request, you're slowing your own brain down to keyboard speed. Voice mode fixes that. You click on this particular voice recorder and say what you want to say, and then Claude transcribes it and then works from there. For example, I would say, can you make sure that the live artifact has a clock or a timer at the very top? And then click on stop and click on send. Claude will start working on it. So picture this. You've got a rough idea for a new offer rattling around in your head. Instead of trying to type it into something coherent, you hit the mic and just talk it through for 30 seconds. The messy version, out loud. Claude takes that ramble and hands you back a structured plan. You did the thinking, it did the typing, and you can do this anywhere. Walking, driving, between meetings. Your thinking doesn't have to wait until you're sitting at a keyboard. So you can reach Claude from your phone, get live dashboards back, and talk to it instead of typing. But all of that still happens inside your setup. Sometimes the work you need done is out on the open web. That's the last one. A lot of your work doesn't live in your files. It lives in your browser, a site with no connector, a dashboard you have to log into, a form you fill out over and over. Claude in Chrome handles that. It's a browser extension. Once it's on, Claude can work right inside your browser. Read a page, pull information off it, fill in a form, even click through a few steps for you. For example, you want to use a particular website or app that doesn't have a connector to Claude. You could use your website directly and use the Claude browser. Once you click on the Claude button here, it opens up to the browser. You could type in specific information that you want. Here I will say, I'm traveling to Toronto next week. It should check my flight for the 20th of June, 2026. Find me the cheapest flight, just a non-stop flight, and click on enter. Claude will take over my screen. First of all, it will ask you to approve the plan. Once you approve the plan, it will take over my screen and then start clicking through the website and start looking for a flight by itself. As you can see, my mouse is just by the side, and you can see that Claude is already clicking into the Expedia website to find me a flight. We'll wait for this to complete and see the result. So as you can see, it has gone ahead. It found the cheapest flight for me for 149 Canadian dollars and economy, and it has told me the flight, which is Flair Airlines, and these are the fares. So that is how Claude could work in your browser to help you do your tasks quite simply. That's the last piece. Between your connectors and Chrome, there's almost nothing in your business Claude can't reach. So that's 4 features most founders never switch on. Dispatch, so you can run Cowork from your phone. Live artifacts, so your business reports back to you on one page. Voice, so you can talk instead of type. And Claude in Chrome, so it can work out on the open web. None of them take more than a few minutes to turn on. And together, they take the setup you built and make it work anywhere, from anything, faster. This is still an early video on the channel, so if any of this was useful, hit like and subscribe. This is where I break down the systems that let one person run a real business with AI. Next video, we take all of this and hand Claude an actual role in your business. The kind of work you'd normally hire someone to do. I'll see you there.